Hello, in this video I will show you how the app works and how you can quickly optimize your posts. In the first section you paste your original text, something you wrote yourself. This helps the app learn your writing style. The field supports up to 10,000 characters, so the longer your text is, the better the result will be. I already prepared mine. From now on, your style is stored and the app will remember it the next time you logged in. In the next section you paste the post you want to improve, either something you wrote or something generated by AI. Then you have three options. First, you choose the platform. I'm selecting the Threads. Next one is tone. I will go with casual. There is also make it controversial option. It's great for reach, but in this case the post isn't really controversial. Everything's ready, so we click generate. As you can see, the difference in the output is huge. The app also gives you three hooks options. You can pick the one you like the most and replace it with one click.